to share is uh, uh, informations only, how you can learn German after these session. That, and I would recommend one book to all of you if you wanted to learn German. There is a book called Deutsch und Ich. I'll send you a picture or maybe the name of the book. And if you say that link also, it is available on Amazon, Deutsch und Ich. Okay. So this book has two parts, Deutsch und Ich eins und Deutsch und Ich zwei. So you can buy that book, and it's very good for your basic German learning. Second, my voice is not clear.
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. I got a message.
Yes, ma'am. I have also seen that.
So we have a book, Deutsch und Ich, and then we have a book which is affiliated by CBSC. CBSC German course is from Hallo Deutsch. Hallo Deutsch. So these two books which I recommend right now. Otherwise, from book we have learned German from networks, but it's for advanced German courses. If a teacher is teaching on that, then you should follow that book. If you're learning German by your own, these two books I would recommend. Networks, if some teacher is helping you, then. And networks is very good book. So this is a fun information I wanted to share. Then there are YouTube channels. One is Learn German with Anya. There are 63 classes, online classes, YouTube classes. So there are 63 classes where you can learn all this again. Eins, zwei, drei, ABCD. In 63 classes, they cover almost everything which comes under basic German. So okay, Shrestha, you are facing problems. Okay, we'll work on this today. We'll try to help you. Then we have learning German. I'll send you the link, Learn German. There is also a YouTube channel. You can learn from there as well. I've shared some of videos with you guys, Learn German channel. So this is the second information which I wanted to share. Then third we have DAZ and DAF, where you can get practice material for your, if you have printer at home, then great. You can simply take a printout and you have those worksheets. Otherwise you can simply you can just see and write on yourself. So DAF DAZ is the name of the website. Again, I'll share all these links. What else? Okay, Shrestha, I'll come to you. Tell me what all issues you're facing.
I saw your introduction part
Mm-hmm.
in the PPT. Some lines are not clear.
Okay, let me open my
Some words
PPT.
and yeah.
I'm sure Ich bin verheiratet nahi samajh aaya hoga.
Yeah. It's the third or fourth line.
Ich bin verheiratet. What is verheiratet? So it's very important to mention your status. मैंने बताया था, मैंने किसी में properly ऐसे लिखा नहीं है, मैंने verbally बताया था. If I am married, I say ich bin verheiratet. Okay. So I am married, I said that. If, for example, are you married or not?
No.
No. Okay. So you'll say ich bin ledig. Ich bin ledig. If you're single.
Okay.
Okay. Ich bin ledig. So that way.
And third and fourth line also I can't get it.
Mein Lieblingsfarbe ist rosa. It's pink. My favorite color is pink.
No, it's not that one.
ओके मैं पूरा पढ़ती हूँ. Ich bin Suniti Bhatia, clear है, ठीक है? Ich bin 29 Jahre alt. Is it clear?
In the yesterday PPT, there
Mhm.
is a slide, last one. Ich bin
Mhm.
Suniti Bhatia. Ich bin 29 Jahre alt.
29 Jahre alt. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one I can't get it.
Ich bin 29 Jahre alt, Shrestha. I told in the beginning that I am 29 years old.
Okay.
It means that. Then ich komme aus Neu Delhi means I am from New Delhi. So
But
they
comma means comes
to come
comes
come
out to come.
come
Okay.
to come. I am based. I am. मैंने बताया था ना. There are so many people who are based from somewhere else, but they are currently residing. Where they are residing is some other place.
Like
For those
we
people, yes,
we
please.
say in English like we are basically from that place, or we lives in right now in that place. Yeah, whatever.
Yes, you're right. So
Okay.
so that way. So comma aus means aus common is the verb. Okay.
Okay.
It means that you wanted to say that I am from New Delhi, or
Okay.
let's suppose you are right now working in USA, for example,
Okay.
and you wanted to say I am from India. Then आप कैसे बताओगे? You are from India, but right now you're not staying in India. तो आप कैसे
Yeah.
बताओगे? Ich komme aus Indien, aber ich wohne in Los Angeles, for example. Just an
Okay.
example.
Wanna means I live in.
Wohnen, leben.
Okay.
So that way. ये बहुत important factor होता है, because ये I understand कि ये बहुत confusing factor होता है कि क्या है, मतलब ये common कहाँ से आ गया. बट अगर हम इसको वैसे नेटिव लैंग्वेज में समझने की कोशिश करेंगे जो हम डे टू डे में बोलते हैं,
Yeah.
कि लेट्स सपोज एक स्टूडेंट है who is
Yeah.
studying in Delhi, but he is from Bihar. So he'll
Yeah.
say ich komme aus Bihar, ich wohne in Neu Delhi. मतलब I am from Bihar, but right now I'm staying in New
Delhi.
Delhi.
Okay.
हो गया clear?
Yes, ma'am. And the next line is habe ein klein family.
Kleiner Familie. हाँ.
Kleine Familie
अच्छा एक
means
चीज मैं और बताना चाहती हूँ. If you wanted to say born and brought up, for example.
yeah.
तो मैं वो वर्ड आपको बता देती हूँ. Geboren. Ich bin in Neu Delhi geboren.
Can you
So
write in chat box?
हाँ, because these are the which you all should know. Geboren und aufgewachsen. So I am born and brought up in Neu Delhi. Ich bin, मैं लिख देती हूँ, bin in Neu Delhi geboren und aufgewachsen. Means I am born and brought up in Delhi. So
Okay.
that way. If you wanted to write information, ये एक थोड़ा सा अपर लेवल हो जाता है. मतलब आप किसी को प्रेजेंट करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. Ich bin तो उनको लगेगा वो बहुत अच्छी जर्मन आती है.
Okay.
So that way you can add. Next what we have, you are asking ich wohne, ich habe eine kleine Familie. So kleiner is I have a small family.
I got a word like erotic kleine Familie.
Sorry?
There is a word gehört.
Ich gehört.
Yeah.
Gehört means you belongs to.
Yeah. I belongs to we can say in English like I belong to a nuclear family. So I got a word gehorte.
Gehort means belongs to. Likewise, something belongs to you. If you wanted to ask, for example, someone lost his or her pen and you wanted to ask, wem gehort these are kuli, these cool, these are kuli. So so if say these are kuli gehortsu mayor, matlab this belongs to me.
Me. Okay.
So but I don't know, in German they don't use gehört for this I belongs to. मैंने आप I guess किसको, I don't know whether I have suggested link or not. मैं अभी भेज देती हूँ, मैं एक बारी ग्रुप में भी भेज दूंगी. Guys, do not use Google Translator. Google Translator is worst. It's worst.
Okay.
I'm sending you one link. So it's www. Wait, लिख देती हूँ. मैंने कहा मैं लिंक ही भेज दूँ, but हो नहीं रहा. So this is the link. This is good. What our teachers suggested us at that point of time. This is good, but if you learn German, you'll understand that Google is not translating it correctly. You will understand because you know, right? अगर आप इंग्लिश से भी कुछ हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करोगे ना गूगल पे, तो भी आपको डिफरेंट समझ में आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
So that way. Himanshi is not with us. Himanshi, I think she is busy. So Himanshi, government employee. I can help you. Angestellter is employee. Government is Regierung. So Regierung Angestellter. Government employee. So any employee, you can say Angestellter. ये आपके vocabulary में है, I'm sure. जब मैंने Traumberuf and Jobs कराया था, उसमें है. Guys, any other question? Or can I simply choose somebody? So, Amit, can you please unmute yourself? Amit. Amit. Am I audible, guys? I cannot see anyone's response. Responding.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
But no one is responding. Why? Guys, it's your day today.
Shall I start?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So in bitte sich vorstellen means introduce yourself. If someone say bitte sich vorstellen means that person is requesting you to introduce yourself.
Okay.
मैं ये लिख भी देती हूँ एक बार.
Yeah.
Bitte sich
Sure.
vorstellen. So you'll say okay. Alles klar, ich vorstelle mich.
All ich vorstelle was.
Mich.
Stella
Mich
mich. Okay.
Means to I'm
I'll
introducing
introduce
myself.
Okay. Bitte sich vorstellen.
Vorstellen means introduction.
Introduction. Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
Suniti ma'am.
Yeah, hi Himanshi.
So, do I have to share the screen?
Let this introduction session will take only 10 minutes. So I'll hear from them, then we can start our Duolingo session.
Okay. 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Hallo, ich bin Saru Vadera. Ich bin eine Frau.
Eine Frau, die Frau. Yes.
Okay, ich bin eine Frau. Ich bin 36 Jahre alt. Ich bin eine Ingenieur.
Okay.
Ich wohne in Faridabad.
Okay.
Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist rosa. Okay.
Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist.
Ist, right. Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist rosa.
Ist, not ist. Ist.
Ist. Okay.
Ist.
Ist. Okay. Ist.
Ist
ist-
नहीं ट के
ist.
बाद अ नहीं इस
Okay,
मैं
ist.
ट की साउंड बताना चाह रही थी
Ist. Ist.
ist
Okay. Ich habe eine große Familie.
हाँ familie आइए बैठिए
Familie.
familie हाँ
Familie. Ich habe einen Bruder und eine Schwester. Ich habe meinen Vater und meine Mutter in meiner Familie.
Okay. Meiner Vater, no, mein Vater. Why? Their Vater. So there is no E at the ending when you're using their. So these are small mistakes which everybody even initially do. Mein Vater, why? Because their Vater. Eine Familie, why? Because the Familie.
So my
So-
English statement is I have my father and my mother in my family.
So you wanted to say unsere Eltern means your parents, Mutter und Vater leben mit uns.
Okay.
You can say also. You can also say that unsere means our Eltern, parents leben mit uns. So unsere our parents live with us.
Okay. Parents.
I'll write it for you.
Okay.
Unsere Eltern leben mit means with, uns mit us.
Okay.
Unsere means our, Eltern means
Unsere.
parents, leben means live, mit means with, uns mit us.
Okay.
So Mutter and Vater दोनों
Okay.
उसमें आ जाएंगे.
Okay. Unsere Eltern.
Eltern.
Eltern leben mit uns. Mit
Hmm.
uns. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Ich habe ein
Schwieger.
Schwagerin. Schwieger und sie ist Lehrerin. Sorry. It's L.
No,
She's a
you
teacher.
wanted to say
She is a teacher.
You wanted to say you have a sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law. And she is a
Okay.
teacher.
Ich habe eine Schwiegerschwester. Schwieger is in-laws. अगर हम only Schwieger को बोलेंगे. So anything which is in law, so Schwieger in German.
Okay.
Schwiegerschwester, sister-in-law.
Okay, Schwiegerschwester.
Schwester.
Okay, Schwester, right.
Und
Schwester
und sie ist. You're talking about third person.
right.
Und sie ist Lehrerin.
Lehrerin.
Hmm.
Lehrerin. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Ich habe eine Schwiegerschwester und sie ist
Lehrerin.
Lehrerin.
Hmm.
Ich habe zwei Neffen.
Correct.
Mein Lieblingsfest
Hmm.
ist Diwali. Mein Hobbys sind Sport, Marchen,
Sport machen.
Machen. Okay.
Yeah.
Machen.
In Hindi we have machen.
Mm-hmm.
So in German machen to do. That way you can relate things.
Okay. Machen und
Makhan. Simple makhan. Makhan
Makhan.
hota hai.
okay.
Makhan chor. That
Okay.
makhan chor. Exactly. So that makhan is German makhan to do.
Okay. Machen und tanzen. Tanzen. Okay. And so that was my introduction. Then we talked
Then
about
you should also add adjectives.
yes,
Likewise.
yes. So I have created two statements.
Okay.
So ich bin ein gut Mädchen. Mädchen
Okay.
ist sehr heiß in Indien.
S is there highest
Yes,
in Indian.
Right. So
So
it
it's
is very
very-
hot
it's-
in India. It's very hot in India. So
you want to-
ist es sehr heiß in Indian?
So you have Google translated it.
I did that, yes.
That is why it's
you know,
wrong.
yeah, so
So-
that was started with in Indian ist es sehr heiß.
No, not correct.
Okay.
S ist.
Ist,
I write it.
okay.
That is. S is sehr heiß in Indian.
So so statement is it is.
It is. It anything which say S is mine Kleidung. So you wanted to it is my clothes. Anything
Okay.
which you wanted to say it, so you can use S.
Okay.
So S is mine coolie. This is my pen. S is
Okay.
mine S is mine briller. That's my specs. So
Okay.
that way.
Okay.
S means it.
Es means it. Okay.
So sehr gut. Das war sehr gut. Sehr gut gemacht. You can only do some small correction, then it's
Okay. Sure.
correct.
Sure. Okay. I think that is it.
And you can say like I have written ich bin eine geduldige und praktische Frau. So you can also write ich bin sehr ambitious. Maybe you can check
Motivated and ambitious.
that you can
Yeah.
check in that
Okay.
list. I have
Okay.
sometimes you don't remember the words,
Right.
so that you can add in your introduction.
Okay. Sure. I'll do that.
If in case there is issue, but do not Google translate it.
Right.
I've shared a link.
Right.
You can use that. Okay.
Ma'am, the link is not working properly.
That paralink.
Yeah, Paralink is showing IP server address not found.
Okay, I'll share in group. Maybe I was trying to share the link. मैं एक बार WhatsApp group पे share कर दूँगी for sure. It's www.paralink webtranslation.paralink.com. So this is the group. This is the name of the website link. So you can use that. Everybody should use that for any translation.
Mhm.
Be it Hindi, be it English, be it any other language. It's very good.
I think instead of that www, we have to use HTTP. So it is working now.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, so that's
So,
the link I've pasted in a group chat.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Danke, Sean.
Better, Sean.
Bitte. Okay.
So, bitter is please, bitter Sean is again welcome. Another way to say welcome.
Right.
Willkommen auch, but in German, in general conversation interaction, we say Dankeschön, bitteschön. Everything is started with Dankeschön, bitteschön, and ended with Dankeschön, bitteschön. They love this Dankeschön, bitteschön too much. So anybody else want to try this? This was very good. I think you should try this. If not in front of me, in front of mirror maybe. In front of me will be more helpful.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, I would like to as well.
Okay, it's Vidhi. I can recognize. Then other is
Vasundhara.
okay, Vasundhara. Both of you. Okay, Himanshi. Okay, what we do? Let us free Himanshi ma'am. She has some work to do. Himanshi ma'am. Do that Duolingo session first. It will take maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Then you will be free. Then I'll take
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
take over.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's start the session. I cannot share my screen.
Okay, Amit. Okay, Amit, I was calling you even. You didn't heard my voice.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Bitte sure. Preeti, can you please give us right to share screen? Himanshi, can you share it now?
Let me try. No, not yet. It's still disabled.
Okay.
I think the host can share the Duolingo.com page.
Preeti, can you please do that for us? Okay, I'll call her, Himanshi.
Okay.
Let me call her. So guys, today we are going to share a link which is called Duolingo.
So should I start this new to German or already know some German? Should we try this placement test?
That student
Simple.
will be...
It's very simple. I think it's very simple.
Guys, what do you want? Basic or already know some German?
Ma'am, placement one.
Okay, placement.
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Placement one. Placement
Okay,
one.
placement. Very good. Thank you so much. Vielen Dank.
Takes about 5 minutes and adapts to your level by getting harder for easier based on your answers. So one second. I need to share the sound also.
No, don't. Sound is required, Himanshi.
Yeah, because
Okay. So we'll let them do this one by one. Everyone should get the opportunity.
write this in English.
Das Mädchen.
What should I write? Das Mädchen.
Okay, let me select one.
Which one?
May I?
Hema, you should choose one. So das Mädchen.
Das Mädchen.
May I? May I?
One by one, anybody can. There are lots of questions.
Okay, then we have Preeti. Preeti, do you want to try this? Okay, then we have Vasundhara. Vasundhara, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you try. Das
I
Mädchen.
have to speak.
Mädchen.
No, you have to tell us the option.
Write
Okay.
this in English. How do you write Das Mädchen in English?
The girl.
Oh, very good, Vasandra. That is
Danke, ma'am.
correct. Okay. So next we have okay. We have Aditi. Aditi, do you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditi. Morning is tomorrow also. In German, if I say bis morgen, means I'm saying till tomorrow. See you tomorrow, maybe.
I am confused.
Okay. Any other? Anyone else want to try?
Can I?
It's Hema.
Preeti.
Okay, Preeti, please.
Alice Morgan. Maybe.
No.
Alles
Ma'am.
bis morgen.
Okay, it's alles klar bis morgen. All right. If you wanted to say in German, all right. Yeah, okay. As I said, na Zolala is not a replacement of
Ma'am,
okay.
ma'am, it's a Morgan.
Morgan, yeah. So, alles klar.
Bis morgen is
Bis
see you
morgen.
tomorrow. Bis
Bis
später, bis morgen. These are phrases for see you tomorrow. So let's move ahead.
Okay, then we have let's just Vidhi, you
Yes,
try.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ich bin eine Frau.
Ich bin eine Frau.
Sehr gut, Vidhi. Gut gemacht. Okay, next.
This one.
Himanshi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you try this.
So by 40.
Dear Martin.
Das.
Dear, no.
Das.
You want to say?
Das Martin.
Mädchen.
Mitch.
So why das Mädchen? There is for male, D is for female, but they don't consider girl or boy as male or female. They say they are neutral.
Der Junge, das Mädchen.
Okay, then we have. Do we have any male?
Yes, ma'am.
Amit.
Manish.
Okay, Manish, go ahead.
The boy.
Das Mädchen. Der Junge,
The
das
girl.
Mädchen.
The boy. The girl.
Gut, sehr gut.
Frau ist eine Orange.
So
Die Frau ist eine Orange. Die Frau ist eine Orange.
What is she saying?
Die Frau
ist eine Orange.
So she's saying die Frau ist eine Orange. So as I told you, everything has its own conjugation. So with Frau, with single, it's a ist. Essen becomes ist. So there is a conjugation. Ich esse, du isst. Und sie es essen. Die Frau, who is doing this? Who want to try? Sonal.
Frau ist eine Orange. Die Frau ist eine Orange. Die
So,
Frau
Ma'am, may I?
ist
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
eine
Sonal?
Orange.
No, Vasundhara.
Okay, okay, Vasundhara.
Die Frau
Hmm.
eine Orange.
Ist orange.
The woman eats an orange.
Sonal, unmute yourself. Sonal,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. You're going to do this.
Okay, ma'am.
She comes from Bavaria.
So, our German teacher, guest lecturer, she comes from Bavaria. She was from Bavaria.
She comes
Astha.
from Bavaria. Yeah.
See, come.
Sie.
Come from
Hmm.
Bavaria. From aus,
Hmm.
Aus.
Bayern.
Hmm. 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 Sehr gut. Very good, Sonal.
Very
So,
good.
sie kommt
Thank you,
aus
ma'am.
Bavaria, Bayern.
Anna isst Nudeln und Lukas isst Reis.
Okay,
Anna
next we have
isst Nudeln und
Sampada.
Lukas
Sampada, do you want to
isst
try?
Reis.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please
Anna
replay?
isst Nudeln und Lukas isst Reis.
Noch einmal.
Anna
Anna
isst Nudeln und Lukas isst Reis.
Anna ist
Ist
Nudeln und
Nudeln.
Lukas ist
Lukas
what's the pronunciation? R-E-I-S?
Rice. Rice. Rice.
Rice.
Reis.
So, Anya ate noodles and Lucas ate rice.
He's eating pasta and Lucas is eating rice.
Clear?
Das Tier trinkt.
Is it too fast or is it okay?
No, it's okay. I guess is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Tier trinkt.
Amit, do you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead. So, Tier, I
Das Tier
want to
trinkt.
say, I want to you to understand Tier is animal.
The
Animal.
drink.
Yes.
Du bist groß. Du bist groß.
Du bist groß.
We read it yesterday in adjectives. Gross means
Okay, I think Kanika, you should try. Kanika? Yes, Kanika?
Yes, ma'am. You?
Gross. Gross.
Big.
Stop.
tall.
You can say here tall, right?
Thank you, Preeti, for
Ja,
helping
es ist
Kanika.
einfach.
So we have Preeti. Preeti, unsere kleine Preeti, small Preeti.
Ja, es ist einfach.
Yes, your turn, Preeti.
Ja, es ist einfach.
Einfach, easy. Simple.
Ya means Preeti?
Yes.
Yes,
Hmm.
S is
it is.
Hmm.
easy or einfach is simple.
Thank you, Preeti. Vielen Dank.
Welcome, ma'am.
Die Hüte sind rund. Die Hüte sind rund.
So it is plural now.
So guys, you can see you have coffee, hats, horse, pizzas. Pizza is pizza in German. So what else is left?
Coffee is cafe.
Horse.
Hat.
Who's this? Who's this?
Ma'am, some round.
Yeah,
Haa.
round is round.
Okay.
Which one?
Round is round. Hat.
Who answered this?
So plural, with plural we have wind.
Sind das Sanjungen? Sind das Sanjungen?
Saru, Saru ma'am.
Hi, it's are
Sind das Sanjungen?
are those boys is there? Are those boys speaking?
So speaking is sprechen. So
Okay.
are those his boys? Signer is possessive. Yeah.
Your.
So what is are those his boys? Okay.
His boys.
His boys. Okay.
So this is easy. That is easy. We have. Who wants to try? Shrestha, do you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
Das ist.
Das ist.
So nicht is not fetish.
Complete.
Einfach.
Einfach.
Good.
So then we have Sampata. Have you tried this? Pratik Dubey. We have.
Yes, ma'am.
I think
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pratik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pratik, go ahead.
The past. Das. Killed.
Clyde.
Past das Clyde. Past.
Yeah. Himanshi, he said pass the slide.
Passt. Das. Kleid.
So Tasha is
Tasha.
bad.
Tasha is bad. Cosmetic is cosmetic.
There's a lot of noise from the.
You can check it, Himanshi.
Schmuck.
Pasta Clyde.
Clyde. That was right. Schmuck was wrong. Pratik, have you learned German before?
No, ma'am, no.
But you know the answer because Clyde, I haven't tell, I guess.
Heaven. May I, ma'am?
Amit.
Yes.
Yes, Amit, please go ahead.
Die
Hmm.
Jungen
Jungen.
haben
Hmm.
Haben.
Hmm.
Schuhe.
Yeah.
Schuhe.
Yeah. Correct. Very good, Amit.
Yeah. Thank
Die Hüte. Die Hüte. Die Hüte.
It's very easy.
Die.
Hmm?
Die Hüte.
Hmm.
Hüte.
12.
The hat.
Das Mädchen hat einen Hut.
Praveen. Praveen.
Das Mädchen hat einen Hut.
Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Try.
The girl
Hmm.
has
Hmm. Huh?
a hat.
Hmm. See, you know it.
Das Mädchen hat
Very good.
Very good. Sehr gut.
Thank you.
Ein Baum.
What is baum?
Baum.
Tree.
One
Hmm.
Baum.
Tree. One tree. Tree.
Tree.
So I think Saru ma'am should answer this.
Der
Hmm.
Wind
Der Wind
ist
Hmm.
ist
cold, ist kalt.
Hmm.
kalt.
So heights is hot, cold is cold. That's why I choose you. So I
think
want to
this-
choose Vidhi for this. Vidhi, try this.
So magen is the verb to like. Magen.
Vidhi, try this. Vidhi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Vidhi, try this.
So magen is the verb to like.
And ma'am, trees is
Baum.
biome. Yeah. So magist.
Magst.
Do. Keine is no. So
Keine.
Baum.
Bäume.
It's just klar. You can do it.
Magst the kind of verb.
Bin ich
So
dran?
there's one more thing. If you ask any question, so verbs come at first position. Haben Sie Kuli? Möchten Sie ins Kino gehen? Do you want to go for picture? Möchten Sie essen? Do you want to eat? Möchten Sie trinken? So verbs come at first position because you are going to try this after this. So try to keep first verb. Verb at first. Sorry.
Bin ich dran?
Dran is there or understand.
Ma'am, I can try this.
Yes, please try.
Ma'am, is It
Hmm.
my turn.
किसके ऊपर?
Hmm.
Was drawn. Drawn.
Bin ich dran? Is it my turn? Write this in German. The pet is not learning. So who will try this? The pet is not learning. Das?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, yes, please.
Das Haustier
Haustier.
Ja.
keinen lohnt.
Keinen.
Keinen. Lernt.
Lernt nicht.
Lernt nicht.
Das Haustier lernt nicht.
So net is not learning.
Not keinen. Okay,
Ich habe meine Hausaufgaben nicht gemacht. I have not completed my homework that way.
Die Blumen fallen.
Fallen? Fallen? Can you guess this? Fallen?
Falling. Falling.
Yes. So you know Baumer?
trees.
Flowers.
Blumen is flowers.
Blumen, sorry. It's Blumen, flowers. Sorry. I thought Baumer.
Flowers. Falling.
So see guys, you can do it.
Das bin ich nicht.
Das bin ich nicht. Who wants to try? We have Shrestha, Sneha, Sampada,
Ma'am?
Swati.
Ma'am, it's Himanshi here. Himanshi,
Yes.
ma'am. Can you explain the difference between when do we use nicht and when do we use kein?
When do we use nicht? When do we use kein? Both are negative, right? Negative. Kein is negative unbestimmte Article. Nicht is not unbestimmte Article. First of all, kein is negative unbestimmte Article. Ich habe kein Problem. I do not have problem. Ich habe die Problem. Das Problem. Ich habe Problem. I don't. When you use don't, ich habe kein Problem. I don't have any problem. Ich habe das nicht gemacht. I haven't done that. Ich habe das nicht gemacht. I haven't done that. So in that case, nicht gemacht. Something you have not done. Nicht. Ich habe keine Ahnung. I don't have idea. So that ich habe keine Ahnung. When you are using don't, so
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, nicht is used always at the end of the sentence because in English we use it in the middle.
It's German.
Ma'am, it's always at the end.
It's always at the end, but it's not the rule. We have not learned this. This is not the rule. Ich möchte nicht gehen. I don't want to go. Ich möchte nicht gehen. I'm not saying ich möchte gehen nicht. That's not right. So don't consider this is rule. This is not a rule that we have not learned. But yes, you are right. In so many cases, it comes on the end. Makhanji das nicht. Don't do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm. So guys, can you do it? We want you guys to understand this because this is very helpful website to learn German. You can maybe you have learned a lot from this activities. So if you do it like for 10 to 15 minutes on daily basis, uh, you can learn German very easily. So it's Duolingo. So again, I'll share the link with you. You can start with basic and then go ahead. I would suggest this. Start with basic. Okay. So now we have Vidhi, Vasundhara, Amit for introduction. Sampada. Yes, Sampada. Sampada, I was calling you for this.
Ma'am, I answered.
Acha, okay, sorry. I didn't recognize maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
So Himanshi ma'am has shared link. But that's better to share link in on WhatsApp group. So I'll share it again. So who wants to start? Let's start with Amit.
Ma'am,
Okay, you're Sampadana.
no, ma'am,
Vidhi.
Vidhi.
Okay, Vidhi, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Hallo, ich heiße Vidhi. Ich bin 18 Jahre alt. Ich bin eine Frau. Ich wohne in Punjabi Bagh, Neu Delhi. Neu Delhi liegt im Norden Indien. Indien liegt im Süden von Asien. Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist blau. Mein Lieblingscricketspieler ist Virat. Meine Familie ist klein. Ich lebe zusammen mit meiner Mutter, meinem Vater und meiner Großmutter. Ich habe keine Geschwister. Meine Mutter ist Hausfrau und mein Vater ist Angestellter. Ich bin Studentin. Ich möchte forensischer Psycholog werden. Meine Lieblingshobbys sind Reisen und Sport machen. Ich koche gerne im Freizeit. And the last one is, ich bin eine vertrauenswürdig und empfindlich Frau. Danke.
Himanshi, have you heard this?
Yes, ma'am. Very, very
I
good.
think we all should unmute ourselves and we should applaud.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was awesome, Vidhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, very high. Levels are very high, guys. So next, Vasundhara.
Okay, ma'am. Hallo, guten Abend, everyone. Ich bin Vasundhara Bhatia. Ich bin 16 Jahre alt. Ich bin Schülerin. Ich wohne in Ludhiana, Punjab. Ich komme aus Indien. Meine Lieblingsfarben sind Weiber, Schwarz und Blau. Ich wohne mit meiner Familie. Ich habe eine große Familie. Ich habe 2 Brüder und 2 Tanten und 2 Onkel und eine Schwester. Die Oma habe ich nicht erbe Opa lebt mit uns. Meine Mutter ist Lehrerin und mein Vater ist Kaufmann. Ich möchte Stockbroker werden. Meine Hobbys sind Schreiben, Singen und Tanzen. Meine Lieblingsessen ist Pasta und Golgappe. Danke, Vasundhara Bhatia.
Sehr gut, Vasundhara. You are going on right way. Problem is with pronunciation. So ish. Remember, if you have seen, we have learned it that way only. Keep a pencil on your or pen in your mouth, and then say ish. So that way you learn it. So it's not ik. It's not that. It's ish.
Ish.
So, zwei, drei, die Vater. So you have to be careful about articles that I have not taught you, but still you are going great. It was good. It was really good. Very good.
Danke, ma'am.
Bitte. So next we have Sampada.
Yes, ma'am. Guten Abend. Ich bin Sampada Ahuja. Ich bin 19 Jahre alt. Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Meine Familie ist sehr klein. Ich lebe zusammen mit meiner Mutter und Vater. Meine Mutter ist Hausfrau und mein Vater ist Engineer. Ma'am, what's the pronunciation for engineer? Engineer. Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist schwarz. Meine Lieblingsessen ist Pasta. Meine Hobbys sind Tanzen und Reisen. Dankeschön.
Tanzen und Reisen.
Reisen.
Okay, sehr gut, Sampada. It was very nice. Mein Vater, not because their Vater. Mein Vater. Meine Mutter, die Mutter. So these are small mistake. I understand. It's not your mistake because you can't learn article in one go. So I understand that, but still it was very nice. Trust me, very nice. Sehr gut gemacht. Himanshi, what do you think about this?
It was very nice. Very good.
Yeah. So next we have Hema. Do you want Hema? Are we done with Hema? Who was first?
No, ma'am.
It was Amit, maybe.
No, it was Saru, ma'am. First was Hema. You can go ahead.
Me? Okay, I'll try. Ich bin Hema Bhasin. Ich bin eine Frau.
Ich bin eine Frau. Yes.
Eine Frau. Ich habe eine Schwäger.
Ich habe eine Schwieger. Schwieger what? Schwieger is in-laws.
In Jalandhar.
So Schwieger, sie leben nicht mit Schwieger, right? You don't stay with your in-laws. Okay. Ich lebe nicht mit meinen Schwiegern.
I stay with them.
Ich lebe mit meinen Schwiegereltern. Schwiegereltern, in-laws. Your in-laws.
Okay. Ich wohne Jalandhar.
Ich wohne in Jalandhar.
Danke, ma'am.
Okay. Danke. Then we have Praveen Dua. I think everyone should try.
Ma'am, I'm also left.
You are also in the queue. Amit,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
go first. Amit, I have one advice for you. You can use this Duolingo app. You can download it in your phone, and because you want your son to learn German, so this is the best way for him to learn German. This Duolingo.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I start, ma'am?
Please go ahead.
Ma'am, ich bin Sanyam Bhatia.
Mm-hmm.
Ich bin 10 Jahre alt.
10 Jahre alt.
Yes. Ich wohne in Ludhiana.
Ich wohne in Ludhiana.
Yeah, das ist in Northeastern Indian.
Okay.
Meine Hobbys, self, Jan and Melon.
Meine Hobbys sind what?
Melon.
Malen and painting and
Reading and painting.
Lesen und malen. Lesen und malen.
Lesen and Malen.
Yes.
Also eat coach Jen I'm free jet.
Ich koche gerne im Freizeit. Ich koche gerne im Freizeit.
Yeah. Ich koche gerne in Freizeit.
Gerne means I like to do. Ich höre gerne Musik means I love listening to music. Ich lese gerne Bücher means I love to read book. Ich schlafe gerne. Someone is lazy, he love to sleep. So gerne is if you like something to do.
Yes.
So ich koche gerne.
Koche gerne
Im Freizeit.
Im Freizeit.
Meine
Lieblingsfarbe.
Meine Lieblingsfarbe.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Now I can hear you.
Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist orange.
Orange. Okay.
Orange. I wohne mit meiner Family.
Ich wohne mit meiner Familie.
Ich wohne mit meiner Familie.
Familie. आइए बैठिए Familie. Ich wohne mit meiner Familie.
Familie. Ich habe einen großen Family.
Ich habe eine große Familie.
Familie. Wir sind 11 Mitglieder.
Wir sind 11 Mitglieder.
Wir sind 11 Mitglieder.
Leader. Yeah. You are 11 family members. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Ich habe zwei Schwestern, einen Bruder.
Ich habe zwei Schwestern, einen Bruder. Yes.
Zwei Tanten und zwei
Tanten und zwei Onkel.
Yes. Die Oma habe ich nicht, aber der Opa lebt mit uns.
Okay. Die Oma, not die Oma. So it's not English, it's German. So die Oma habe ich nicht, aber der Opa lebt mit uns. Means they live with us.
Yes. Meine Mutter ist Hausfrau.
Hausfrau.
Hausfrau. Und mein Vater ist Kaufmann.
Und mein Vater ist Kaufmann.
Kaufmann.
So only your sentences are correct, almost correct. So only you have to work on pronunciation. So I would suggest you, it's very important to learn alphabets, because if you know pronunciation of each and every alphabet, then only you can use it in your sentences. So that is very important, that you have to work. This is the one thing you need to work on. Otherwise, very good, Amit. Very well
Yes,
tried.
Danke, ma'am. Danke. Thank you.
Feel it a bit Sean. So next, guys. Ma'am, Shrestha.
What do we call believe in German?
Believe in German. Glauben. Jemandem glauben. Ich glaube an dich.
Glauben.
Glauben. Anybody else?
Ma'am, may I?
You are?
Himanshi.
Yes, please.
Hallo, guten Tag. Ich bin Himanshi. Ich bin 17 Jahre alt.
17 nicht 17.
17 Jahre alt. Ich wohne im Rameshnagar.
Okay. Ich wohne auch in Rameshnagar. Zurzeit bin ich im Rameshnagar. Sehr gut. I am right now in Rameshnagar.
Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist blau. Meine Lieblingshobby ist Musik hören. Meine Familie ist klein. Ich lebe zusammen mit meinem Bruder, mein Vater und meine Mutter. Mein Vater ist Regierungsangestellter und
Government employee.
Und meine Mutter ist Hausfrau. Meine Lieblingsessen ist Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Mine auch. Vielen Dank. Very good. It was very good. I think, guys, you should learn from her, because she has made sentences very. She has build very easy sentences. So this is basic German. Nothing is wrong in it. Nothing is wrong in it. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bitte. So next. Shrestha, you do not prepared. Maybe you want to say 1 or 2 lines. That would be enough. But you should try. Shrestha, you should try. Okay. Anyone else want to try? We have Swati, we have...
Ma'am, I want to...
You are?
Ma'am, I want to try.
You are?
Ma'am, Aditi.
Yes, please, Aditi, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Hello. Guten Abend,
Hallo.
ma'am. Meine Vorname is Aditi Sharma. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ich wohne in Faridabad. Meine address.
Okay, wait. Okay. So, meine Vorname is Aditi. So, you need to understand there are 2 things. One is Vorname, one is Nachname. So, you can't you can't relate it with your name, with your entire name. So either you say mein Vorname ist Aditi und Nachname ist Sharma, then it is correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can, otherwise you can say mein Name ist Aditi. That is also correct.
Mein Name ist Aditi.
Aditi Sharma. Then you can say your entire name. Otherwise it's not correct. Vorname is only your first name, so you can't use your second name with first name, right?
Okay.
One thing. Then you want to say ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Guys, I request everyone to learn German counting. That's very important. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Next.
Meine Address ist Satyug Darshan Vasundhara.
Okay, sehr schön.
Meine Hinder number is 92. मतलब number भी
okay, that's okay. Mein Handy number is, so it's for I asked this for your practice, because you will practice to say your mobile number in German. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will be you can then explain your number in German and any other digit.
Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist rosa.
Meine auch.
Meine Family ist klein.
Klein. Groß und klein.
Even. Meine Mutter, Vater and meine Chemister. Meine Mutter is Hausfrau and meine Vater is manager.
Manager. That's simple. Manager. Yeah.
Okay.
You can say that. Ich bin Managerin. Ich bin Manager. You can say that.
Okay. Meine Lieblings ist Chili Kartoffel.
Essen is chili.
Kartoffel.
Chili Kartoffel. Okay. Chili potato. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
मैम अभी ढंग से आया नहीं, बट बस मुझे ट्राई करना था, that's why I want to speak.
You tried really well. You have to work on your pronunciation. Obviously, you can't expect that to pronounce 100% correct within 5 days. It will come with time, but at least you're trying. It's great. You're giving your 100%. So it was very good. Don't get demotivated. It was very good. Very well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bitte. Okay. Anyone else want to try?
Me.
You are? Preeti. There's some connection issue. Preeti or someone else was there? I can't hear you. Who said I want to try?
Preeti.
Okay, Preeti, go ahead.
Guten Tag. Ich bin Preeti Virmani. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Haryana. Ich wohne in Gurugram. Meine Familie ist sehr groß. Ich habe Oma und Opa.
Oma
Eins
und Opa.
It's Oma.
It's Oma.
Oma und Opa. Eins Schwestern.
Eine Schwester.
Drei Brüder.
Drei Brüder. Correct.
Schwester. Drei Brüder. Zwei Onkels.
Zwei Onkel.
Und meine Mutter.
Meine Mutter.
Und meine Mutter. Meine Lieblingsessen ist Pizza. Meine Hobbys sind Fernsehen und Tanzen.
Fernsehen means you like watching TV. Am I right?
Watching TV.
Fernsehen und
ja.
Tanzen. Ja, das ist ganz gut.
Tanzen.
Okay.
Ich bin ledisch.
Okay. Möchten Sie verheiraten? Do you want to get married?
No.
Nein. Okay, kein Problem. So, is das alles? Are you done?
Hello?
Yes. Yes, please. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Can do this?
Pratik Dubey.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Preeti, it was really nice. You're doing well. Thank you, Preeti. Vielen Dank. Yes, Pratik, go ahead.
Ma'am, guten Tag, ma'am. My name Pratik Dubey. Ich bin Pratik Dubey. Ich bin 26 years old. Ich wohne
26 is English?
in,
Nein, kein English, bitte Deutsch.
German.
Kein Problem. Ich helfe Ihnen. I'll help you. Okay. So, ich bin Pratik Dubey. Ich bin 26 Jahre alt. Yes,
Okay.
next.
Ich wohne in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, Kanpur. Sehr
Uttar
interessant.
Pradesh.
Okay.
My address is
Adresse. Meine
Adresse.
Adresse.
93
93.
Bima Bia, Lakhanpur, Kanpur.
Okay.
And my family is a gross Klein family.
Meine Familie ist klein.
Klein.
Ich habe eine kleine Familie. Both
Family.
ways.
And ma'am, this much only.
Okay, but it was good. You're trying good. You're on
Okay.
right track.
Okay, ma'am.
So anyone else, or should we close this session? Tell me, guys, anyone else, or should we close this? Because it's your last class, and there would be one quiz that you need to. This is mandatory to complete that quiz, because only then we will be providing you certificates. Himanshi, I'll send that names and picture if I have that book with me right now. Actually, I'm at my mom's place in New Delhi,
So if I don't have that book with me, then I'll send you the link where you can find that. Don't worry. So are we done for today? That comes to an end of German classes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned German. You have started learning it. So yes, you're trying well. So I think we should close this session now. The only thing which I wanted to tell you that which as a teacher is my responsibility to give one advice to all that I have learned when I learned German. It was I was the one who was in school, and I was in convent school, so I have to pay 5 rupees fine if I speak in Hindi. So till then, till that time, after learning German, I started respecting my own language, because I was never able to do that when I was in school. And we all are brought up maybe that way only, because I was not some other, I'm not from some other planet. So after learning German, I started respecting I said that I love German, but I respect Hindi, and that is very important. And that's what I've learned from my German clients, that they respect their culture, they respect their language, they they love everything, but they respect their culture, their language. So that is very important to be connected with your roots. So that is my advice to everybody, as a teacher maybe, because that's what I have learned, and I think it's my responsibility to not to keep it with me only. I think I should share this with all of you all. So it was my responsibility that I have completed. And second, I want to say do not follow anyone, just build yourself. Second thing. Yes, Preeti, you can speak. Of course. Why are you asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Preeti. You're very sweet. You know that?
Yes, ma'am.
I was missing you. I'll miss you. You know that? If I'll not... Oh, you know everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you want to say?
Introduction.
Oh, Preeti, sorry. I didn't ask you. I'm very sorry.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead, Preeti. I'm willing to listen from. I'm dying to.
Hallo, guten Abend. Ich habe Preeti Yadav.
Ich bin Preeti Yadav. Yes.
Ich bin Preeti Yadav. Ich bin 14 Jahre alt. Ich wohne in Gurgaon, Haryana. Ich bin Schülerin.
Ich bin Schülerin.
Ich bin Schülerin. In Northern India. Ich komme aus Haryana, India.
Ich komme aus Haryana, India. Okay. Ich komme aus Haryana. Not there. If you're saying Haryana, then Indian is not required. Ich komme aus Indian or Haryana. You can use one, not two.
India lives in southern Asia.
Indian liegt im Süden von Asien.
Mein Lieblingsfarbe ist schwarz. Mein Family.
Meine Familie. आइए बैठिए Familie.
Meine Familie. Ich lebe zusammen mit meiner Mutter, Vater, eins Bruder, eins Schwester,
Ein Bruder, eine Schwester.
eine Schwester, mein Großeltern leben mit uns.
Großeltern leben mit uns. Correct. Sehr gut. Okay, next. You have more sentences.
No.
Do you have more to say?
No.
Was it all?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very nice, Preeti. Very well tried. Very well, not even tried, very well done, I would say. It was beautiful.
Danke, ma'am.
Bitte schön. All the best for your future.
Danke, ma'am.
Bitte. So, so it's very hard to say bye-bye, but we have to say bye-bye. Before I say bye-bye, I want to request anyone, if anyone has any doubt, questions, confusions, everything is welcome. Please save my number. If you think that while practicing you have issues, then please call me, message me, whatever you feel like. I'm there to support you. Always. So,
मैम
okay. Yes, Amit.
मैम आपने कोई बुक से यहाँ स्टार्टिंग में आज कोई साइट वगैरह बताई है, स्टार्टिंग में मिस हो गया था मेरा आज, तो वो
Whatever
आप रिपीट कर सकते हैं?
I have suggested, I'll share in WhatsApp group.
ओके मैम.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. And definitely, Kanika, we will be in touch for sure. If you learn, if you need me, I'm there. Don't think that I would not take up your call or I will not respond your messages. I am going to do that. Don't worry. Sessions are closed. Learning should not get closed. You should start your journey. It started because learning a language, as I told in my first session, that learning a language is a journey. Don't stop it. Do not stop it. Reach to your destination. That is very important, and I will help you in that. That is for sure, and I will be staying in touch for sure. Thank you, Himanshi. Vielen Dank. Bitte schön. Thank you, Praveen. So, all the very best. Alles Gute, guys. Try this Duolingo. This is a very good website. This is very helpful if you wanted to learn German. Very helpful. Okay, guys, then. See you. Take care of yourself. Bitte sorgen Sie sich. Und bis dann. Tschüss.